A is for ark Noah made out of wood, because of the fact God saw he was good. B is for build. Noah knew what to do. He worked and he worked until he was through. C is for children, for Noah had 3. Ham, Shem, and Japheth helped their father for free. D is for dinosaurs, with their powerful features. The ark had room for all of these creatures. E is for everything that God made, which roamed the earth since the foundation was laid. F is for friends, to whom Noah proclaimed the fact that God told him to watch for the rain. G is for gopher, a wood that was strong. Noah was sure that it would last long. H is for Ham, who helped build the ark and didn't have time to play in the park. I is for insects, large, medium, and small. Noah had room for each, one and all. J is for Japheth, who checked the design and then told his father the ark was just fine. K is for kangaroos. Noah wanted a pair. He checked in their pockets to see nothing was there. L is for lion, the king of the beasts. But look at old Noah, not afraid in the least. M is for men, who helped build the boat, but didn't believe, thinking it was a joke. N is for Noah, who believed what he heard because he had faith in the truth of God's word. O is for others, who stood outside. When the flood came, there was no place to hide. P is for panic, which showed on the faces of people who hurried to find higher places. Q is for quake, which is what the earth did. For as the land shook, the great mountains slid. R is for rain, which fell from the sky. After 40 long days, nothing was dry. S is for Shem, who prayed to the Lord to ask God's protection for those on board. T is for trees that stood so tall, the water kept rising to cover them all. U is for universal, which describes the great flood, covering the earth with water and mud. V is for valleys, once cool and green. Now, as you look, no land can be seen. W is for water that covered the land, destroying all things, including each man. X is for xylograph, an engraving on wood. Did Noah keep records, as a good captain should? Y is for year, a long time indeed. But for those on the ark, God took care of their need. Z is for zoom. Need I say more? For that's what they did when God opened the door.